In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Canva Magic Layers. First, open your Canva project and make sure you're logged in so you can access the Magic Layers feature. To use Canva Magic Layers, start by opening your project. Click on Magic Layers in the sidebar, then select Create New. This feature lets you organize elements easily and enhance your design workflow. You can choose from your previously uploaded files or upload a new one. Here, I'll select the option to upload a new file. I'll choose this thumbnail from my previous video. Once you've selected your file, wait for the upload to finish. Once it's finished, select the file and open it in the editor to begin making changes. You can see a simple image has been added and Magic Layers is being applied to it. The goal is for each element in the image to be separated into its own layer, making it easier to edit. This particular image was AI generated. If Canva Magic Layers successfully separates the elements, we'll have the ability to adjust and customize each part of the image as needed. After waiting a few moments, you'll see that everything has been separated into its own layer. The watermark that said Canva has been removed from this section, and the layers are now distinct. There may be minor issues where certain elements are changed or missing, such as this Canva text that isn't visible here. Now, if you want to edit or change the text, you can simply select the text layer and make your adjustments. Here you can edit the text or create your own. Notice the font has changed slightly from the original, as Canva automatically tries to match fonts when you input new text. If you want to use your exact font, you'll need to upload the font file directly into Canva for consistency. Here you can compare the original image with the version created by Canva. Notice the slight difference in the font style between the two. Additionally, the Canva version includes a watermark that says Canva, which is not present on the original image. This highlights the changes. The font appears to be missing in this area, likely because it couldn't match the original font accurately. Additionally, if you look at the design element here, you'll notice it looks different compared to how it appears in the fixer. Here, the style is one type, and here, it's another. Apart from these differences, overall, this feature is quite effective and very useful for creating designs. It offers helpful tools, even though some visual inconsistencies remain. Now you can work wonders with Canva Magic Layers. Like and subscribe for more creative how-tos.